Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope that your Monday hasn't been too bad and that you enjoyed your weekend. I know I had a good day, so I hope that you had at least one good day too. So today I have got for you this month's Asos box. Yes, here it is. Pretty, isn't it? This is a nice sleeve and it's Asos with Clinique. What more could you want from a box than to be matched with Clinique, eh? So I'd love it if you would join me to watch and find out what is inside. And it'd be great if you could give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to ring the notification bell, and of course you can share this video when you're done. Alright, let's get right into it. This is just covering up for the regular plain Asos box that looks like this, and Asos box is £12 a month, and it's not a subscription. You just wait for it to appear on the website and you can get it, I think, was it around the 5th or 6th or something like that of the month this month, and that's it. It's free P&P if you spend £25 or more, I think, on Asos, so it's like another £3 or something P&P on top of that. Right, so it's with Clinique. This is exciting. This Clinique has finally dropped to Asos. To celebrate this box is chocker full of all the nice things your skin needs to stay healthy, protected and glowing this summer. Modern life can be tough on our skin. Cheers, pollution. So we've teamed up with the skincare impresarios at Clinique to bring your face some saving grace. Quenching your skin's thirst is top of the agenda, so adding these things to your skincare routine is a good place to start. Stay fresh and protected while not forgetting cult favourites for end of day cleanses. Say hello to happy healthy skin. Go play. Hashtag Asos times Clinique, or X Clinique, you know. Just had to skip a few words in there because otherwise you'd find out what was inside. It's like this. I'm not looking, I'm just taking the paper away. Everything's hiding at the bottom. Doesn't look as impressive when it does that. Alright. Should we go small to big? Let's do that. So there's 5 items. Clinique, dramatically different hydrating jelly for all types of skin. It looks like this. And I don't know what it's about, so I'm just going to go and get my trusty iPad. I'll be back. Okay. So I've gone away and got my info, because what is the point about telling you about this stuff if I don't know what it is and you don't know what it is? It is dramatically different hydrating jelly anti-pollution. It works for all skin types. It's step 3 in our customized 3-step skincare system, an unbelievably lightweight water jelly that delivers 24-hour hydration repair plus pollution protection, which is what we all need, especially if you're in a city. With Clean Shield technology, locks in the good like moisture and filters out the bad. It strengthens skin's moisture barrier and improves resiliency. Unique water jelly texture feels fresh, penetrates quickly. The oil-free formula is non-sticky, it leaves no residue. Skin is smooth, strong and healthy with a pure, clean glow. The Clear Shield technology is formulated with a moisture barrier blend of sunflower seed cake, barley extract and cucumber fruit extract to strengthen the skin's barrier. All that stuff. Hyaluronic acid acts as a natural moisture magnet, humescent. Don't know what that word means. Dermatologist developed, allergy tested, no parabens, no phthalates, no fragrance, just happy skin. There we go. That sounds good. 100% would recommend. Especially people in the city saying their skin is less spotty after using this. So that's exciting. Sounds like it works. Right, what is this? This is a nice pretty pot. Lovely peach colour. So this is Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So that one's going to keep us moisturised for 24 hours. This one for 72 hours. We'll never need to put a moisturiser on more than twice a week. This is your favourite moisturiser upgraded. Our newest Moisture Surge with activated aloe water helps skin create its own internal water source. A light refreshing gel cream that keeps it almost twice as hydrated at the end of the day than it did before, versus the old Moisture Surge extended thirst relief version. Works non-stop for 72 hours, leaving skin endlessly plump and dewy even after washing your face. That's interesting to know, because you'd think it would wash off when you wash your face. But hey, if you can still wash your face, it's not like you don't clean your face for 72 hours. You carry on and this keeps working. Okay. Provides both immediate and long-term hydration, helps plump up fine, dry lines, quickly restores hydration and binds water to skin. Skin stays soft and comfortable in changing climates, allowing skin to adjust to shifts in humidity and temperature, which can result in a loss of hydration. Helps restore proper moisture balance whilst helping to protect against environmental damage. And it's for all skin types. Auto-replenishing technology uses caffeine to kickstart skin's own water pump, while activated aloe vera, humescence and hyaluronic acid attract and lock in moisture. So this is what it looks like inside. I don't know if you can see it really, but it does shake because it is a gel and it feels really nice. And I think this would be really excellent if you're going on holiday, because obviously it's an appropriate size to take away with you. And it says it helps you going from different climates. So from our climates, maybe a drier climate or more humid climate, or whatever. And especially on the plane as well, if you want to stay hydrated and keep your skin in good condition, because we all know that plain air dries your face out and your body and stuff. So I think this would be very handy for summer travelling. Thank you, Clinique. This one, because I like purple things. And this one comes in its own little box. And it's Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, massage balm over dry skin using fingertips. Rinse well with warm water, pat dry. You know, when you press too many things you don't mean to press. Anyway, this works for all skin types. It's a lightweight cleansing balm. It quickly dissolves stubborn eye and face makeup, including those with sunscreen. Handy at this time of year. It's almost like they've thought about it and made a summer Clinique box. I don't know why I tickle myself. I'm weird, just ignore me. Transforms from a solid balm to a silky fluid oil upon application. Cleans thoroughly, rinses off completely, non-greasy, non-dry. Impossible to get out of the box, it feels like. So it's just like a hard, sort of waxy balm. Just put some on my hand. Just there, and within seconds the body heat melts it off. Right, actually I had a bit of black on my hand there and I've just moved that there and it's just cleaned it off, you see. Right, can't be doing too much demoing today because today I went and had a like a deep tissue sports massage type thing, just to try and relieve some of the pain in my shoulder and back. And boy does my arm hurt, honestly. Even just touching it like that, it's so tender to touch. It's really painful, and moving my arm or body, it just really hurts. So yeah, that's probably the last demo I'll be doing. But as they say, no pain, no gain. And he said to me, oh, do you know you've got multiple knots here? Not just one knot in this, just in this one patch. Not one knot, but 2 knots, but 3 knots. And one of the knots is underneath another knot. That's how knotted I am. And then he was like, let's do this thing on the back. He got this like vibrating thing. It was really cool. But bloody hurt. Anyway, should we move on? Move on. Right. Next item is this. And this is the Clinique City Block Purifying Charcoal Clay Mask and Scrub. You know I love a face mask. It's a dual action mask which purifies and polishes natural charcoal and clay, remove pollution and impurities, natural silica beads, gently refined texture, 100% fragrance free. Natural bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay help remove pollution and impurities, while the silica beads refine texture. Use once to twice a week. Leave on for 5 minutes or until the mask turns pale blue. Okay. Okay, so it's like a grey, clayey, dark blue, but it will turn light blue when it's done. I've got some on my good hand, my better arm, and I'll show you in a few minutes. Does it really go light blue, or will it stay like this? Okay, happy with that because, you know, it's good to clean your face. Last item, doo-doo! And this is actually a full-size item, so thank you very much, Clinique. It's the City Block Sheer Oil-Free Daily Face Protector. 25 SPF. And it looks like this. Shows you this way so you can read it. No chemical sunscreen, 100% fragrance free, allergy tested. Sheer high level broad spectrum UVA UVB daily sun protection. Lightweight formula helps wick away perspiration. Oh, that's good. I need that in my life. And absorb excess oil so makeup looks fresher for longer. Ooh. Antioxidant enriched. Wear alone or as invisible under makeup primer. Appropriate for eye area and sensitive skins. Yes, this sounds awesome. Try and see if there's anything else that it needs to tell me. But how good is that? Something that will help reduce the oil, keep your makeup on for longer and protect you against sun. Thank you very much, Clinique. This is exactly what I need because I do get oily and shiny so easily. 97% of people would recommend this product. An SPF that doesn't make skin greasy or break out. Don't use anything else. Classic for a reason. great product, excellent SPF primer, fantastic buy, perfect, brilliant. Oh, somebody's given it 1 star. But why have they given it 1 star? Because it's out of stock. And they're saying it's really unfair because the dermatologist has recommended it. So they've given it 1 star. I think that's a little bit harsh, to be honest. It's out of stock because it's obviously very good. Oh, it's actually coloured. So it's like a very light brown. Okay, so I haven't got anything on my forehead. So let's just see if this is going to work for me. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, I suppose it would give a bit of skin colour depending what colour you are. I'm not sure how I feel about that now. There I was so excited. I think I can get away with it actually. I feel like it has changed the colour of my forehead a little bit, but not terribly. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks alright, or do you think that I look ashy or anything? I really didn't expect that to have a tint to it. Where does it say it has a tint? You don't need to wear foundation because it makes your skin look flawless. Okay, I'm going to try it out when I've got like no blusher and stuff on my face tomorrow, and take some pictures and put them on Instagram at ALIFEINHIGHDEF if you don't already follow me, and we can see, does this look good or not? But I do really like the sound of it, and I hope that it will be as good as everybody is saying for me. So the total value of this month's box is £41.95, which is pretty awesome, and I am really excited to try all these products. I have never tried any of them before, so it's all fresh new things, and I think that the idea behind them is really good. And for the box being like £15 with P&P, I think that this is a great cost to value ratio. It makes me very happy. You know it does. You know I like that to be high. Yeah, I'm really happy, and I think thank you very much ASOS, and welcome Clinique to the ASOS family. Hope to be seeing more of you in future ASOS boxes. What do you guys think of this box? Is it things that you would enjoy, or are there things that you really wouldn't fancy? Too much moisturiser, or do you think it's good that they've given you a variety in there? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and entertaining to see July's ASOS box, and until you see me next time, which will be very soon, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys. Oh, it does go lighter blue. It's pretty much just light grey. It's okay. Bye.